Hey everyone, I'm super excited. I'm going to set this down because it weighs a ton. I did a trade with one of my subscribers slash friends, and today I'm going to do the unboxing. So if you've been following me for a while, thank you. You've seen me do this type of unboxing before. If you're new, welcome. What happens is I subscribe to several beauty subscription boxes, plus I pick up mystery boxes, and not every product is something I will use. For example, hair care products. I have very short hair. I get my hair cut every 5 to 6 weeks. So luckily I don't have to deal with, tangles or split ends or what, because it gets chopped very frequently. So hair care products are often expensive and coveted by others who have longer hair than I do. So it's a good item to put in a trade box. So basically any product I receive that I am not going to use, I offer up in a trade situation. So let's dive in and see what she sent me. All right, this box is filled to the brim. All right, so the first item I'm pulling out is from Suave, and it is a shampoo, conditioner, and some third product, little sample travel set, which will be perfect for me to toss into my travel bag. What is it? We got shampoo, conditioner, and anti-frizz cream. Luckily I don't suffer from frizz, but shampoo and conditioner I love. And we got a second one of those. All right, we have something here from Jeffree Star. This here is, I'm not going to read the name of it because I don't want to get demonetized. But let's just say it rhymes with tick and starts with PR. It's a pressed pigment. Does that mean it's eyeshadow or blush or anywhere on the face? Probably. Oh no, it's small. It is a eyeshadow. I'm going to call it eyeshadow. It's called a pressed pigment, probably because it has that orangey red, which is perfectly okay in the UK to be called an eyeshadow, but for some reason in the US it's called a pressed pigment. I'm going to start going really quick because I can tell just by eyeing it, this box has a ton of products. All right, what do we have here? This is from, Danessa Myricks, and this is Vision Flush. Oh, it's a sample lip, cheek, and eye. Lips, cheeks, and eyes. Okay, so it's a little sample, but with a decent amount. Hello, Charlotte Tilbury. To actually test those shades. All right, that is fantastic because I've been wanting to do a video using only sample kind of makeup products, but I never get a sample that has blush or eyeshadow. So yay! Now I think I can do one of those videos. What is this? Beautiful packaging, really hefty. Is that Too Faced? It's a natural face with gorgeous packaging. There's a little heart here. What are you? Ooh, okay, so it looks like it has blush and what I am going to assume is bronzer, or else very neutral shade blushes, probably bronzer, and highlighter. Ooh, it's a face palette, Julie. Most definitely probably blush, bronzer, and highlighter. And am I smelling chocolate? Yes. It smells like cocoa. All right, this is definitely a brand I don't have too many products from, and I'm super excited. Let me know if you would like to see me do a try-on video. All right, this next product. Ooh, okay. It is a mirror from Melt Cosmetics. I like how big it is and firm, and it is bigger than the one I normally use that has this kind of movable handle, which is supposedly so you can set it down like this, but I just grab it and it's always flippity flopping. I love it. Plus I can see more of my face. Thank you so much. All right, next item. Ooh, this is huge. This here is Dove Body Love Moisture Boost. Oh, it's a body cleanser. Hyaluronic serum plus moringa oil. All right, this is going to go in my shower. Girl, man, you just shoved this box with 8 million products. All right, so, I love sunscreen. We have 2 little sample sheer mineral sunscreens from Cetaphil with SPF 50. And a daily cleansing scrub from Cetaphil as well. Yes, this is, as far as hand creams go, quite large. Usually you only get like 30 ml, and this is 60 ml, so 2 fluid ounces. It's a luscious hand cream from Refreshments, which is part of Ipsy's in-house brand. I don't know. Ipsy sells Refreshments. I love me a hand cream, and that is going in my bag as well. All right, so we have a few more products from Jeffree Star. This here is a velour lip scrub. And this here is the gloss, like literally it's called the gloss with the word "the" in front of it. It's clear, and I have 2 of these, which she sent me the last time I did an unboxing, and I really enjoy them. In fact, I'm wearing this one as a lip topper, and I've done so much talking, I can already tell I need to reapply. Super comfortable, and they smell like cake batter. Next, we have a sample skincare product from Keys Soul Care, and this looks like it's a face cream or night cream. It has bakuchiol in it, which is a natural form of retinol, and it's perfect for my dry skin. Next, we have something from, ooh, fancy, Guerlain. What are you? Wait, is Guerlain only perfume? Is this going to be a perfume? Or do they make skincare? Is that gold? I don't know. It's got something at the bottom. Let me shake it up. Ooh, yes, it looks like a fancy serum with flakes of gold. Pick up the pace, Julie. All right, so this here is, does that say powder? You know I don't wear powder. This is from Jeffree Star. It's eye gloss powder. Okay, now I'm confused. Gloss is not a powder. Powder is a powder. Eyes, why would you put either of those things on your eyes? Voodoo glass. So much for making this video fast, because now I am super curious what the heck this is. Okay, it has a tamp. Ooh. Okay, why don't they just say like pressed eyeshadow? Why is it called gloss? There's no glossy feeling whatsoever, but it is a beautiful, did I put it in a weird spot? It's like a shimmery eyeshadow. I don't know. That's what I'm going to call it. Here we have a hand and body lotion from a brand I've not heard of before called Upcycle. Bergamot plus vitamin E. Another product from Jeffree Star. This here is the Supreme Gloss. And something called Magic Star, also from Jeffree. It's in the shade yellow. But what is it? Oh, I think it's also a lip gloss, maybe? It's in the same packaging. To save time, I will assume it's a lip product. All right, next product is from Belief. Is this the eye cream or the other cream? Aqua Bomb. It goes someplace on your face. Time. All right, this here is, ooh, fancy. 111 Skin. It's the Pollution Difference Booster. Ooh, so kind of like a serum, which, hello, I use every single day. All right, Caress. I haven't seen this brand in forever. This here is, oh, surprised me. I see the word exfoliating. I assumed it was going to be like a conditioner. Is this still for your hair? Burnt brown sugar and something, carrot butter. Oh, I bet that smells really good. I assume that's an exfoliator for the body. What fancy thing do we have here that was put in a plastic bag so it wouldn't leak, or if it did leak, it would catch it? Purple Rain Glow Serum Facial Booster from Truly. This has retinol, glycolic acid, and is an antioxidant boost. That is beautiful packaging. This is glass. Love that shade of purple. I think this is the one you were telling me about. Thank you for sending it my way so I can give it a try. Right here we have a product from a brand called Esker. This is a firming oil. Ooh, yes, I love getting sunscreen. This here is from Supergoop, and it is a mineral sheer sunscreen in SPF 30. Another lip scrub from Jeffree Star. Some cleansing face wipes from Refreshments. A moisturizing cream from Youth to the People. A vitamin-enriched face base sample from Bobbi Brown. A lip and cheek balm from Butanique. The advanced retinol, some kind of 1.5% complexion night concentrate from number 7. A Juice Beauty Prebiotics 20% vitamin C sample from Vitabrid C12. This here is the dual drop serum. A sample moisturizer from Moisture Therapy. And then something from Lancome. What is this? They have several products that have that idol or whatever, however you put that. What is this? Looks like a mascara. No, not a mascara. Ooh, it's a perfume. Please let me be able to smell it because I'm already wearing something. Ooh. Do not ask me to describe it, but I've never smelled anything like that before. And I like it. All right, we've got a bunch of little, I don't know, are these for drinks? Ooh, cocktail mixers, Skinnies, Paloma. I don't drink, but I know someone who does, my husband. So leave me a comment or send me an email and let me know more about those. We got another Supreme Gloss from Jeffree Star. Some lip glosses from LA Colors. A night cream and a day cream from Bougie Avant. A sample of the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. I know what this smells like. It is one of my favorites. A sample of some kind of cream from Naturopathica. Ooh, from that same brand, Naturopathica. But this is a full-size retinol eye cream. Yes. Super bougie glass bottle, and it comes with a pump. Ooh, this is a product I've never tried before. It's from Tresemme. It's a volumizing mist for people with fine hair. I have fine hair. That will be exciting to try. Got another lip gloss from LA Colors. Ooh, we got a small trio eyeshadow palette from The Balm. They have the cutest packaging that's really nostalgic. And this is in a perfect little color story for me. Love it. Another gentle cleansing scrub from Cetaphil. Now on to the bigger palettes, which I was saving for last. All right, this first one is called Cavity. Yes, there's a tooth on it. It's from Jeffree Star, and this is, ooh, Skin Frost Highlighter Palette. Whoa, those are some very bright and deep highlighter shades, but this one I can see being perfection for my skin tone. All right, we have another palette from Jeffree Star. I honestly can't read that right. This says wet, and I don't know if that says boo or boss or not quite sure, but let's take a look and see if this is eyeshadow. Oh, that is not a color story I've ever owned or purchased or tried, but it does look interesting. And let me know if you would love to see me use such a palette to get kind of like a grungy look, which I think looks spectacular. I've just never been adventurous enough to give it a try. Okay, this is still in the saran wrap. It is called Sex Talk, and I assume from the name it's also from Jeffree Star, but let me... No, it's from Hank and Henry. Let's take a look. Oh, okay. For some reason, with the packaging being red and the title Sex Talk, I thought that the color story would be super adventurous. It is actually very wygowarrior friendly. Some light, softer, nudie shades. There are a couple of darker colors for a more adventurous pop, but that is right up my alley. Holy cow, she sent another larger than a sample size. This is like a travel size of the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. OMG. And a bite-sized face duo from e.l.f. Alright, if you've made it this far, leave me a lipstick emoji. Here is the last product, which is ginormous. It's also from Jeffree Star. This here is called Blood Sugar. What is it? The packaging is spectacular. Whatever your thoughts are on Jeffree, I don't want to get into it, but you must admit that this looks like an old school suitcase with the little metal things that pop down. That is really nice. Wow. Okay, that is quite adventurous, but with some neutral shades. All right, first off, there is a mirror. This is quite heavy, and I'm fairly certain there's going to be a bottom portion. We use some lovely nude shades and then some colorful kind of pinks and reds and purples. Let's see what is underneath, or is that nothing underneath? No, maybe not. It is just really bulky, heavy packaging. That is crazy packaging. And yes, it opens all the way up. So which of those palettes was the adventurous? Was it the grungy one or this one, which on camera does not look like what it looks like in real life? There are some really bright purple and hot pinks, but 75% of it is just neutral and right up my alley. Thank you so much. I don't know if you want me to mention who you are, but you know who you are. This was a spectacular box. I hope you enjoyed what I sent you and you feel that the trade was good, because you sent me a lot, girl. That was a lot. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching and sticking through what I'm going to assume is a very long video, because my friend here sent me a lot. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.